Good morning, y'all. I am so excited to be here today with y'all. I am Wendy. I write the food blog Around My Family Table, and I've been doing that for 10 and a half years. I share family-friendly recipes, a little bit of DIY, some family travel, and I have 3 published cookbooks. 2 are electric smoking, like outdoor barbecue, and then my most recent is live fire barbecue and beyond, and that's everything about cooking with fire. So your grill, campfire, Kamado, and my pizza oven. Yes, I have a pizza oven in my backyard, and it is the best thing in the whole wide world. But sometimes I don't always want to fire it up, and I just need a quick and easy dinner. And so that's what I'm going to talk to y'all about today. I've partnered with Little Caesars Fundraising, and so I'm going to show y'all their fundraising kits today. But yeah, y'all, this COVID stuff is crazy. We've been at home we've been isolated since about March 6th at our house. We have some health issues, so we're just trying to stay away from everybody. What are y'all doing? Are you guys going crazy? What has changed for you since you've been home? My kids are home, and now I'm homeschooling or quarantine schooling, crisis schooling, and I realized I do not like 5th grade math. It is the worst. So I don't know what you guys are doing, what you've changed, how your lives have changed, but I know we still crave those super easy meals because after a long day of teaching he's 11 now, y'all. My 11-year-old, I'm tired. I need freezer meals. I need quick and easy meals, and these pizza kits are fantastic. So let me get started, and I'll tell you about these Little Caesar fundraising kits. So they're super easy to throw together. You can keep them in your fridge or in your freezer. And what it is, you get 3 par-baked dough crusts that you can put all your toppings on. And so it's super easy, and it's fundraising. So that means if you are in charge of, say, your scouting troop, American Heritage Girls, school, sports, anything like that, and you're in charge of fundraising or you're on the committee for fundraising, you can do these Little Caesar fundraising kits. You go to pizzakit.com, and they have all the information you need to get your group set up to sell these. And like, y'all, these literally sell themselves. So they are so easy, because who does not love Little Caesars? And who doesn't love easy freezer meals? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get this one made because my kids want lunch. And right now, these are so easy to throw together. So you get, like I said, enough in one kit to do 3 pizzas. And I am going to do 1, and then we have the sauce. So you get the crust, the sauce, cheese, and I have pepperoni. So my kids love pepperoni. And the best thing I think about these kits is you can make it your own. Even though we have the pepperoni kit, my kids do not like a ton of sauce. So we don't use the entire sauce packet. We use most of it, but not all of it. And then you just spread it around. And everything is the same quality, the same deliciousness of Little Caesars. It is so good, and we've been enjoying them for a while now, and we love to order Little Caesars, and the kids just go crazy when I make these. So the sauce, let me show you. The sauce is most of the way around the crust, and then the cheese, they give you so much cheese, and my kids love cheese on their pizza. So we're gonna add the entire bag, and their cheese is mozzarella and Munster. So it's a delicious blend of the 2 cheeses that you would get if you actually had Little Caesars, and it's so good. I love the Munster in this. It gives it a nice little tang. So we're just gonna go ahead and just dump it all on, because who's kidding? The kids want it all. And we're just gonna put it around the edges or not around the edges, but up to the edge so that it will bake evenly and delicious. So the next step is pepperoni pizza, or the pepperonis. Sorry, y'all. They give you so many pepperonis. It is unbelievable. And you can do this however you want. My kids love pepperoni. We're a pepperoni pizza family. But if you have like one kid that doesn't like pepperoni, just make it on half, you know, like you would if you ordered it, like half pepperoni, half cheese. And then just because you have the pepperoni pizza doesn't mean you can't make it your own. You know, I'm all about taking things and making them in your own. So if you have to, or if you have something you want to use up, you could throw on some veggies or some sliced black olives, which is my favorite, is pepperoni and black olives. But the kit comes with pepperonis. They do have other kits that you can buy. They have different crust types, they have different toppings, they have all sorts of different things. So we use all of the pepperoni. It is so delicious. And I don't know if y'all can see this. I don't want it to slide off my pizza peel. And I use a pizza peel, it makes it so much easier, but you could totally make this on, say, a baking sheet and just put it straight into the oven on a baking sheet. I'm gonna actually slide it from my pizza peel onto a pizza stone that's been preheated in my oven at 450, or you could put it straight onto the oven rack. If you do that, my tip for you is to put a baking sheet under it, because that way it catches all the drippings, y'all. If you don't put that down, you're gonna have a huge mess to clean up afterwards. And so don't ask me how I know, but my husband loves his pizza straight onto the rack, and I often find drips and gooey cheese like all over the bottom of my pizza oven, and it is the worst because then I have to spend my time cleaning it because I don't like a messy oven, y'all. So anyway, here's the pizza. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it into the oven, and then I'll show you what it looks like on its way out, or when it's done. Hold on 2 seconds. Oh, there was a sizzle when I put it in. That sounds so good. So let me show you. So like I said, you get a pizza kit and it has everything you need. It has the crust, pepperonis, the cheese, which is my favorite, sauce. You have tons of stuff to make 3 pizzas. And if you don't make them all at once, you can just store it in your freezer for, I think it's like 4 months. Like 4 months. You can do 1 pizza here and there for pizza night. We do pizzas a lot after church on Sundays because we just need something fast, so this is perfect for that. But I pre-made one so I can show you what it looks like when they're done. We like ours extra done, so it's done, and as soon as it is totally finished baking, it takes like 7 to 9 minutes in the oven, and as soon as it's done, what I do to get that pizza restaurant kind of feel and vibe for it, I pop it under the broiler for like 2 minutes, and then it makes the cheese on top get all nice and yummy and caramelized, and it's so good. These pizzas are so good. So anyway, if you are someone who needs fundraisers, or if you see somebody selling these are so good. So anyway, you go to pizzakit.com and you can learn all about it. And they have people right now ready to help you plan your fall fundraisers. I know people right now are not thinking about fundraisers for the spring or for the summer, but fall is coming. Fall sports, it's coming. It's right around the corner. I know it is. And so they will help get you and your organization all set up for a pizza fundraiser, and it will be the best thing. Your kids will love it. So there's the pizza. But you guys, y'all, they don't just have pizzas. So my kids and I, they have dessert. And they have a couple of different desserts that you can get, and they're so good. So let me show you. We made up the batch of cookies this morning, and we like them. These are just sugar cookies. They have like a cookie topping that you can put on them, but oh my gosh, they're just so good plain. I can't stop eating them. So this is all we have left, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna hide them from the kids, so shh, don't tell. And then they have their crazy bread. No, the crazy bread is so good. And it comes with sauce, and it has the buttery garlic topping, and it has the cheese that goes on top, and it is so good. So basically what you do is you get a catalog that you give out to all the people in your organization that's going to participate in the fundraiser, and they sell the pizzas. And the catalog has all the different pizzas, it has the different breadsticks, it has the desserts, and people can just order. And then you can even use their online order system so that you can use it with out-of-town family and friends if you're interested. But anyway, so that is what I wanted to talk to y'all about today, is these pizzas. You know I love to make pizza from scratch in my pizza oven, like all the time. It is so good, but I am realistic. And I know that we need these pizzas in our freezer for quick meals and easy meals, especially right now. They've come in handy. So you can buy them, stick them in the freezer, and just pull them out when you need them for, like I said, Friday game nights, after church on Sundays, whenever. They are perfect. So how can you get more information? You can go to pizzakit.com or check them out on Facebook and Instagram at Little Caesars Fundraising. They're also on Twitter at LC Fundraise. Y'all, this is so good. I know my son's sports team, they're looking into this. And my friend, I was talking to her about these yesterday for one of her daughter's organizations, and she's actually in charge, and she's like, I am totally looking into this because it is brilliant. Who doesn't love pizza? Everybody loves pizza. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little pizza demonstration with Little Caesars Fundraising. They have been such a blast to work with. I really enjoy this partnership and working with them, and I hope you'll check them out too. Have a good day, y'all.
Oh, I missed it.